Hey everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll learn how to connect MS SQL to Power BI because it is very important to connecting MS SQL to Power BI because when you building any dashboard, so you need to build connection between any server because most of the time in industry you will work with the connecting between any server to Power BI. Okay, normally what we do right now that simply import a dataset into Power BI and just make a dashboard. Okay, for industry 99% time you will have to connecting any server to Power BI. Okay, so in this video we'll show how to connect MS SQL to Power BI. Okay, let's get started. For that you have to go SQL Server. You don't need to go anywhere, just go SQL Server. First you have to give server name and database name. It's optional. If you don't give database name, all the database you have in MS SQL it will shown over here. Okay, and if you give specific database name, it will show this specific database and which under all the tables under the database name. Okay, there's two things over here, that import and direct query. Okay, so what is import? Import means when you import data into, when you select import, you import the data set into Power BI totally. There is no connection between MS SQL to Power BI. It's and direct query means it's between connection. Any changes happen in Power BI in dataset, it will changes also in my MS SQL. Let me give you an example. Like if you are watching a YouTube video and you want to download it, you download it and watch it later in offline mode. This is import. And what is direct query? You watch it in online mode. Okay, you don't download the video. So what you have to do, or what things you should do, import or direct query when you have a large data set, or if you don't need any connection between MS SQL to Power BI, you don't need any automation. So that time I think you should go for import, because if you do direct query, it will all the time when you some changes happen in data set, you have to send the response to the MS SQL and you get the response, then it will work, but it will take time so much, so it's hectic. So I think you should don't have any connection between need MS SQL to Power BI. That time you should import. Otherwise, when you need any connection or to automate the process, you should go direct query. So now I'm show you how to go for import. Okay, first you have to go give server name, and at first make sure that if you have installed MS SQL. So this is my MS SQL and this is my data set. Three rows is very small data set. I will import this in Power BI. So go in the database server, on the server, and right click, go to properties. This is your database name, so just copy this and go Power BI, paste server. Right now I don't give any database name. Let me see. Okay, click OK. So that there is two database I created before. It will show over here, one CTE, one new database. So I will go new database. Here I have employee, and to import this, it will take time. You will see that my dataset table came over here. Okay, so just click load. It will load. It just depend on your RAM, so it will take some time. you'll see that my table is came over here. Okay, so I will go table view. So this is my table. So in this video you'll see that how we saw that how we connect between MsSQL to Power BI successfully. Okay, so if you like this particular video, please let me in the comment section, and if you found any issue to connecting between MsSQL to Power BI, please write in the comment section. I will help you out. And if you like this particular video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.